Okay, 638 Dave, Razor 1 here. I'm just testing out this Cybernet Scorpion SSB base station, wiring out south to you here along the sideband. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, back to you, Dave.
G'day, Razor 1, 638. Oh yeah, nice, good solid copy hitting about an S9, and the audio sounds fantastic to me.
Awesome. Yeah, the compression mic should be punching out through pretty good as well, and receiving wonderful on this side. And how about next up on upper sideband? Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, back to you there, Dave.
Yeah, just the same as lower sideband. Sounds great. Nice quality punch to the microphone in that.
No, that's cool. Same on this end. Sounds brilliant. And just finally one up on AM. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This should be coming through pretty good on AM as well. I mean, I know there's going to be background noise, but it should be coming through okay.
Yeah, hitting 8 to 9. Not quite as loud as sideband, of course, but yeah, really good usable signal at this end for me.
Fantastic. No worries. That's all. Thank you so much, Dave.
Yeah, thanks, Razor 1. Alright, we'll stop recording.
Audio test here on lower sideband, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next up on upper sideband. And upper sideband, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And finally on AM. And here on AM, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Cheers.
Bye-bye. We're down for now.